Welcome back. Today is a double whammy. So basically we're going to do this gate here, and a little infill here. Obviously we're going to put some post here as well. So it's all good in the hood. What we do is we do a refer a friend, refer a family. So if you refer somebody, you get discount. Okay. So what they've done is, I think they've been a bit cheeky. They've referred each other. It's even better. They got discount. That's what we love. We love a discount. Okay. So we're going to put the post here, the gate, infill, post, gate. That's what we're going to do. All good. I'll put it on a bit faster. So we've done one side. As you can see, the gate's up. We're just sorting out the post. But unfortunately, one side of the customer's house is higher than the other. So we're just trying to figure out how to do it and where to put the post. I've just cemented this, as you can see, prodding down to get the air bubbles out so the water can go into the cement. And I'm just making sure now that it's all nice and level. Very cold day. I've even had to put a thermal vest on. So yeah, just doing the post, the first post. While that's setting a little bit, I'm just looking to see where to put the other gate so it all lines up together. So it's all nice and level. Customer there, making us a drink, making sure we're okay. Lovely guy. So we're just trying to figure out where to put the post for the second gate. We're going to line that up any second. It's a waiting game as well, because we've got to wait for that post and the second post, which we're going to dig out in a minute. And when we're cementing, it's just a waiting time really for the cement to set off. Callum's there having a little stretch. Look, he's looking. So now just speed up a bit more. So Callum's now spirit level the post. I'm getting all the stuff ready to put the post to the wall. It's a 4x2 post. And I'm just marking off with one screw through the wood into the wall slightly, and then with my hammer drill drilling a hole into the wall. I'm putting five screws into the wall and hammering the drill. I'm making the holes. Each time we go, we do the spirit level. And then when we made the holes, we put the plugs in. And then with the wood, I'll countersink the hole with the 20mm countersink. And I'll also use an 8mm wood drill bit to go through the hole, so it doesn't put so much pressure on the screw when I screw it in into the wall, into the plug. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just getting everything ready. As you can see, now I'm countersinking Callum's hitting the wall plugs in. And now I'm drilling in all the way through with a wood drill bit. Callum's found an old nail, so now he's just put his goggles on for safety. He's using the grinder just to grind away at the old nail that was stuck in the wall, so the customer doesn't hurt themselves when they put themselves against the wall, etc. Now, like before, on most jobs I do, I put the screw in slightly into the wall just to hold it, and then once it's in and everything's all lined up, like I did, thumbs up, it's all nice, all in, it's all good. Next is the hinges. I'm using strong hinges because it is a heavy, strong gate, so I'm using strong hinges, not medium. I'm just lining these up now. And then I had nowhere really to put the camera, so I couldn't put it any closer or at an angle for you to see me put the hinges on. But if you look past at my other vlogs or videos what I've done, it does show you how to put hinges on. There's a small gap. I always leave a gap, so if the wood does swell up, it's still going to open and close. The two gates are in Corby Glen, near Bourne in the UK, in Lincolnshire. Now I am putting the screws in. Callum's holding the gate. Put his hood on because it's freezing today. So the hinges are more or less on. It's trial and error. So I always put the top hinge on first just to hold it in place. And then I put the middle one and the bottom. I'd never put the middle on first or the bottom because the gate just moves around too much and Callum can't hold it forever. So I always do the top, middle, bottom. Just makes life easy. And that's that one done. Checking that post with that gate while we was doing this one.
Go.
We have the power of Greystock. Okay.
I'll have to pause.
So if you can see the size of that hole, because I've had to take that post out, it's taken me 20 minutes, half an hour. What do you reckon, Callum, to take that post out?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Half an hour. It is massive, that hole. But I've had to go around it. The video is a bit raw. I'm not cutting any because I just like to keep it natural. You know, this is how it is in fencing and gates. You know, there's no fancy stuff about it. So anyway, so we put on the top bolt. Now we're putting the handle on. I'm just drilling in both sides so I know where I'm going. And I'm just making the hole long enough for the thumb latch handle to go up and down. So I'm using a 14mm, as you can see, a 14mm drill bit.
I'm going through the wood, I'm going all the way around. Now I'm touching the outside of the handle. It's a thumb latch handle. And then in a second I'll be doing, you can't really see it because I couldn't find anything big enough, tall enough to put the camera on. I really need to get myself a tripod. So if anybody knows about tripods, cameras, things like this, please comment. I need all the help I can get. I don't really know which one to buy, which one to get. Anyway, so I've already put the top chute belt, just putting on the handle now, and the customer wants another chute belt where the handle is as well. Sometimes it's a little bit awkward because the handle's there, but we did it, works fine, customer's happy, so I'm happy as well. So that's that done. There's a small gap from the hinge side and from the locking side, the handle side, just in case, like I always say, if anything happens. I'm putting trim, as you can see, I put trim, so even though there is a gap, you won't be able to see it. Camera's just looking, just to make sure the trim's okay. I'm screwing that one on now. I'm also putting featherboard on the outside. I'm attaching it to the other post, which I've just... So, as you can see, we've done one side, now we're doing the other. Same again, chute belt at the top. Just getting my stuff ready. Cam's helping by holding it. Doing a good job by holding it, bless him. I've trained him well. So, chute belt at the top, one in the middle, thumb latch in the middle as well. We do the same thing over and over again. What works, it works. Simple as. Sometimes we have to mess about a little bit sometimes because sometimes it moves and it's a bit of a pain. So, but it's doing okay. Next is thumb latch, trying to get out the bag. So, same again. I'm just showing you the procedure again of the thumb latch. Callum's sorting things out for me to make my life a bit easier. He's holding the gate now, which makes my life easier as well. I do think Callum gets a bit cold though. You know, it must be quite hard for Callum just to standing around. I know he's holding the gate, he's holding the hinges, it's a holding. You know, it is, you know, he can't do that much because, yeah, it's a two-man job, but without Callum, I won't be able to do the job because I need someone to hold the post, hold the gate, help me with the hinges, help me with this, help me with that. So, you know, it is a two-man job. So I'm just drilling through the other side of the thumb latch. I think Callum's 19, I think. So any young ladies out there, 19-year-old kid, single, got a car. Any ladies out there, say hi to Callum. But hi, Callum. And I'll tell him to watch the video if you put a few highs and a few likes. Bless him. I don't think he's got a girlfriend. He's into the gym. So, yeah. He's a good kid. See, look, it's a pain. So, but with that, Callum, look, he's holding the latch for me. It just makes my life a bit easier. You know, I don't even have to tell him. He's been working with me some time now, so he knows exactly what my next job is, how I'm gonna do it. He just automatically holds whatever I need. Just making sure that's gonna be okay. I've got a few tattoos. It's when I was young. I used to be a gym freak, boxing, all that. Now I'm an old man. Got a beer. It's not a beer belly. I think it's a food belly. Look, I don't drink beer, so it must be a food belly. I do like my food. All them years of dieting. Got a good cook. Yeah. So that's nearly that one done as well. Cam's just sorting out what we don't need, putting things away.
So another job done by M&J Fencing and Gates. So all done. Oh, what a day that was. 2 gates, couple of posts to the walls, posts to the floors, cemented, made good. Customer happy, customers paid already, and the customers made us lots of coffee. Fantastic. So that's another job done by the gate man. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the what? On the next episode. Let me just open this. Gate man. And that's looking from the outside. So good. Double whammy. Friends and family discount by the gate man. So it's all good. Bye for now. See you next week. See you on Sunday, sorry.